now we have our office in here. And the next thing we need to do is search for another location. And we're going to search for a location and then have a default route. It'll come in handy later. So when I press search, you'll notice I have the ability to put in a land location, either a BC system or any of the Prairie Provinces, the township system. Bottom hole or surface. Facilities, the same thing. Typically you're not given that. It's called something like Devon Leland. So let's just check and see Devon Leland. So if we put in Leland and press search, you'll notice that it will come up with two. One that says Tableland, so L-E-N-D, that's in there. But Leland Sweetening Plant is the one we're looking for. Click on it. It actually takes us to that location. We can save it as a favorite so that we can actually notice that it's there all the time. In this case here, we're going to show it on the map, and we're going to use it as the default route end. Perhaps we want to take this and put it down here, and we want to call it Devon Leland. So we can make these changes as we go, no problem whatsoever. Now when I press OK, it's done that in the background, but we also want to make it as our present destination. You'll notice here it says use default end and start. It didn't before. Now we'll have a button to push to take us to a particular route. That could be a route between your two offices, could be anything. You'll notice this is still grayed out. As soon as I press set this as my destination, however, that's going to turn green, and it's actually going to produce the route. The route turn-by-turn directions are all here. You'll notice that each of them have some distances attached to it, the directions, the arrows, and they're numbered. And they're also numbered on the screen. I can turn those numbers on and off just by clicking. I can go to a particular turn by clicking on it, and it takes me to that turn. All of that is automated and built in. If I want to go back to the whole picture, I would just press that again. Now I can call this, it defaults to what I started, the two endpoints, but I can change the name to anything I like. So that could be the job number, could be anything you want. There are other facilities that you have relative to this, but I will get those described at later shows here.